Oh hey, welcome back to my channel. My name is Janelle, also known as kraziicurls on Instagram and Twitter. What we have here is a nice easy braided style that I created a few weeks back, and I actually used Treluxe Untie the Knot leave-in conditioner and Curl Supreme to style my hair. Now I had it in for a week, and this is what a week looks like. Well, a week after, of course. So I'm actually going to give you guys a detailed tutorial on how I take down my braids and how I achieve an amazing braid out 7 days later with frizz and all that mess. So as you can see here, I am just taking down the first braid. I'm not taking my time with it, as you can see. I'm just taking them down. One thing I did do off camera was I did add a little bit of jojoba oil to my fingertips while I took it down, not to create any more frizz. So this is one braid, and I'm going to also take down the other side, but as you will see, I have a different method that I'm using to take down this braid, and I hope that you can just stay tuned to watch how I do it. Step 1, do not take the braids down super fast because that can create frizz. Step 2, as you take the braids down, you will see where you added hair, just like so, and you want to be able to pull down on that hair. And what that's doing is reducing the amount of frizz that you can create if you continue to take your braids down like I am. As you can see, I am just rushing through it, pulling them apart, and even creating just a little bit of frizz and separating my hair more than I may have liked to, but that is what you can do. With that being said, this is what my hair looks like. I'm gonna turn around to give you guys a full 360 view. I have definition, but as you can see, I have a lot of frizz. I need to bring this hairstyle to life. So what you want to do is grab your hair pick, and you just want to start picking at the root. Again, you do not want to comb all the way through to the ends because that's just going to remove the definition that you already have. So because I've had my bonnet on and I've kept this style in for a whole week, you can see the shape of the braid, and that's what you don't want to do. So you start picking from the top, and as you can see, I'm going in a little bit deeper just to bring the hairs together. So you want to bring the hairs together, and then I'm gently just separating it to create more volume and to remove that harsh part that I do have. So you want to make sure that you take care of the back, and also in the front, go in like I am from the root and just start picking outward. And this is also again going to remove that harsh parting that you've already had. Your hair's been like that for a week, so you want to make sure that you get your hair out of that and wake it all the way up. So now that that's taken care of, what I was trying to do was just use my fingertips to just fluff out my roots a little bit. But if that doesn't really work and you want to just remove that look entirely, move your hair to the side like I am. And as you can see, I am just literally playing with it. I'm using my pick to just fill in the gaps and make sure that my hair is uniformed all throughout. And once I drop the pick, I'm going to be using my hands just to shape my hair into how I want the style to look. So as you can see, the more I separate the clumped, I would say sections, my hair is coming more to life, and I definitely have a lot more volume. So don't be afraid to separate. Don't be afraid to move your hair around just to see, what kind of style you want. You can even create a half up, half down with this look. You can create a nice top knot with this look. But I definitely wanted a loose, voluminous braid out, and this is how I achieved it. I love Treluxe products because my hair stays moisturized. I still have that shine in my hair, even a whole 7 days later without refreshing my hair. So all you needed was a little bit of oil on your fingertips, a pick, and your hands. Tell me if you found this video helpful. Leave a comment down below and stay tuned for new videos coming this week. Adios!